8 o'clock you can fish there. They're alright with after 8, but before it's prohibited. Cunts. Caught one too. This is a small one, mate. There you go. There we go. There we go. He's on. Come on, Trev. I hooked him on right. Nice Brimbo. That is a nice, that's a nice size Brimbo, eh? That's a good Brimbo. Look at the girth on him, guys. Just want to measure him up. You reckon he's a 33? Yeah, he's only 33, guys. Nowhere near a 40, but I'm happy with that. Brimbo, he's a fat one. Yeah, caught on the brand new colour, the Houdini colour. ZMan 2.5 inch grub. It's a pretty fat one, you know. I thought he'd go 40 for how thick he is. Yeah, take a good look at him, and now it's time to release him. Hook it. I hooked him well. I set my hooks right. See how I struck? That's good how I struck. So there you go. Lovely looking Brimbo. Look at that. Okay. Look at that, off he goes.